What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about meme coins really quick. Because on Twitter, I mentioned the fact that the meme coin market was going to explode. It's currently sitting at like a $20 billion overall market cap. And we see billions of dollars that are going through this in daily volume. We understand that meme coins are going to have a space, and we don't know which ones are going to be the top meme coins within this space. So we're always trying to find what's going to be the next best play. And right now, it looks like a lot of Solana meme coins are really running the table here, where you see a lot of other plays that are out there. I want to bring one to the table here today that I want you all to take with a grain of salt. Understand that anything could happen within different plays, and make sure you're doing thorough research when you dive into a play. But I wanted to bring a play to your attention that is a meme coin that seems pretty interesting on the Solana chain, and it's making a little bit of a move, right? It's only like 1 day old, so it could be pretty early. And let's have a discussion about it. Guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out any links for SMOG, for the play that I'm talking about today, feel free to check out that down below as well. It'll be at the top of the description. But let's talk about this, right? Again, the meme coin market is massive. If we go on Google, if I go on Google and I search up, first I have to Google, and then if I search up coin market cap, meme coins, it's going to come up with all the top meme coins for the market. It's going to show you the full market capitalization for meme coins. And as you can see here, the overall market cap is at $20 billion. And you see the trading volume for the last 24 hours at $1 billion worth of volume. So it's massive to see how much meme coins really control this space. And we're always trying to wonder what's going to be the top meme coin there. So I'm bringing to you this position, which is SMOG, the greatest SOL airdrop of all time. Right? So SMOG, to enter the airdrop, you can go into all of that. You can also look at all of their different information up here, where you can see their Twitter, their Discord, Telegram, and different charting, which we will get into. If you look at their Twitter account, they have about 2,327 followers on it, and got some good traction on different, different posts that they have there, whether it's retweets or just standard posts within it. So that's good to see. One meme coin to rule them all, and that's what everybody's looking for, is that one specific meme coin that's going to rule absolutely everything. The mighty SMOG reigns over the crypto battlefield, incinerating all its foes, all of his foes. As the dragon fire burns, the greatest airdrop in history gathers pace. No other meme coin can survive the fury flames. Buy and hold SMOG to gain airdrop points, and join the dragon in vanishing his enemies. Fair launch. They had a fair launch. Buy SMOG on Jupiter and fill your bags with the most rewarding token ever to grace the Solana blockchain. Hold to earn. Buy and hold SMOG to earn airdrop points and qualify for the community bounty. Your points will be revealed further into the airdrop. Claim your airdrop. SMOG tokens, token holders, prepare yourselves for the greatest airdrop in history, distributed on Solana. Now, with anything, you want to make sure you are very, very careful that anytime you do enter something or go into something, that you are not entering anywhere else that you shouldn't be entering, because there's a lot of people out there, even people in my comment section, that will try to impersonate me or impersonate somebody else. So make sure you are very careful as you are doing these. If we look at the tokenomics, you have a total supply of 1.4 billion, 50% to marketing, 35% to airdrops, 10% to CEX liquidity, and 5% to DEX there. So a total of 1.4 billion, which is not honestly a lot. Their phases, airdrop research, website build, token deployment, social activity or activation. You see fighting dragon slayers. And then for phase 2, you have the fair launch, airdrop reigns, begins. You have the 10,000 plus loyal chosen, which means holder. social dominance, you have burn opportunities, airdrop launches in phase 3, more airdrops, 100,000 plus chosen warriors, social mastery, and crowned soul king. So they're looking to be that larger form of it. If you wanted to buy it, they're looking to be that larger meme coin and control kind of everything when it comes to Sol, as well as being a large meme coin. I mean, that's really the idea within the meme coin space. Connect your wallet, buy and hold SMOG, and sign up with the airdrop. You can buy through Jupiter, you can buy through Radium, which we will go through because it is a Sol project. So again, we'll look at the Twitter account. If we go over and look at the charting, this is where we get some of the information. You could see how it did increase and now it's kind of flat where it is, holding steady at some of these prices. It is currently sitting at a $29.5 million market cap with $794,000 worth of liquidity. Again, take everything that you see here with a grain of salt and make sure that you fully understand what you're getting into as you do get into it, because it is a meme play, which can have a large amount of reactions in the beginning, ups and downs within the beginning. Obviously, you want to see it do nothing but flourish. Again, this has 1.4 billion in overall supply there, but you can purchase on Radium. Or I believe you can purchase it on Jupiter as well. It's a play that has been moving over this last day, again going from this level, which I don't know exactly how much it's up on the day. I'm trying to figure that out. In the last hour, in the last 24 hours, up 25%. So that's where that is, and you see 1,500 buys versus 7,400. 746 sells. Buy volume versus sell volume. You can see the amount of buyers versus the amount of sellers, and you see all that information that's there. So taking that all into account, you have to understand that meme coins are definitely, kind of where it's at. Right? I've been investing a lot into different meme coins, and it seems like Sol is really running the space with a lot of the volume that's going through right now. You see a lot of plays that are out there, and I would imagine, as you could see there, that SMOG is no exception to that. It definitely has that volume as it is on the Solana chain. So let me know what you think. I want to know what you guys think about these plays, because there are a few Solana meme coins that are coming up, and I want to know your opinion. And the reason why I want to know your opinion is because it forces you guys to maybe do a little bit more research within the play and see what you want to see, or maybe what you don't want to see. It doesn't matter, but the point is that you do your research so that you can make that investment for yourself. Super excited to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also check out all of the links down below for SMOG if you really want to. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.